Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm a teacher from Myanmar Students YouTube channel. Today I want to share you about animals. Okay, let's get started. What this? Zebra. What this? Unicorn. What this? Horse. What this? Dragon. What this? Dinosaur. What this? Snake. What this? Crocodile. What this? Turtle. What this? Mouse. What this? Rabbit. What this? Cat. What this? Dog. What this? Tiger. What this? Leopard. What this? Pig. What this? Cow. What this? Sheep. What this? Goat. What this? Deer. What this? Kangaroo. What this? Elephant. What this? Rhino. What this? Giraffe. What this? Monkey. What this? Gorilla. What this? Camel. Okay, that's all for now. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Subscribe.